Do you guys want to take your production set, maybe your gaming setup, office, bedroom, a really cool look for your ceiling? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one is going to be for the Yeelight smart panel lights. These are LED lights, and they're in triangle shapes that you can mount in different directions. There's some sick features. I've actually already opened it up and took a look at a few of them. They are very cool, and I'm looking forward to putting them, number one, right behind this temporary office setup until I fully get my office remodel underway. They can connect over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They are for indoor use only, running off of Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. Maximum power of one single panel is 2 watts, and these panels have music rhythm, which is really cool, and not to mention they work with your Alexa device and your Google Assistant device for speech turning on and off. Without further ado, let's get this out, let's see what we have and connect it. All right, folks, let's get this box out of here, opened, and let's show you these lights. I'm looking forward to putting this setup behind this temporary office build. This is not going to be the full, complete office build. We are in a full remodel, but we want to go ahead and make it look good while we are temporarily working in it. All right, first and foremost here, we're going to get back to that here in just a second here. You have your different plugs right here. EU, I believe Australia. You, of course, have your US one here for your different countries, and then your power supply right here. If you are wondering, it's about a 3.5, 4 foot plug or so, guesstimation. And then we have our power adapter for our power plug right here. In this box right here, we have our mounting, looks like some double-sided adhesive strips right here. You got a whole bunch of them here. And then in this little bag is going to be our connector chips. We'll show you that here in just a second. Here we have what looks to be double-sided AUX plugs. This must be for maybe music sync. I'm not exactly sure. This one has a male tip and then kind of a U female adapter to it. Again, I'm not exactly sure regarding those. And then our LED triangles here. Now each triangle is protected by a little sleeve right here. So let's go ahead and lift all these out here. All right, so you get a total of 6 lights in your kit. And so let me just go ahead and briefly show you how the first one starts getting connected to the other ones here. So right here on the back side here, you have these metal prongs, 3 different options right here. This is your main control unit here. One of these triangles has to receive this. So you slip the gold prong in the slot just like this. So again, one of these triangles has to receive this as the power plug. And so once your control panel right here is inserted, then you're going to see a very small black hole right here. That's where you get your little adapter cable here. Your power adapter plugs into this cable here, which gives it about an extra 2 feet or so. And then you plug this one into a side of the same triangle there as well. So now that one gets power. So let's go ahead and show you here as we turn on right there. So for example, let's say you pull that out. It's actually still going to work. It's still going to be powered on, but unfortunately you're not going to have any of the buttons functioning or anything like that until you slip that back on, and then you can go ahead and hit your mode there and it will change that way. There is the app we're of course going to show you as well. So let me just show you with one of your little chip adapters here. Now what this does is some of these come in 2. Just go ahead and snap it off so it's 1. And this is how you connect it to another one. Again, gold prongs down, slips right in the slot here. And then this one connects to it however you want to connect it. If you want to take out your remote, put that one down here like this or like this, and then it's going to match up the same color as this other one here. Let's go ahead and flip it around here. So now, but we need to go ahead and put back in our control box there to be able to have both of them connect together. So just for the functionality of it, I would leave that in. It does function without it, but that is pretty cool nonetheless though. So let's go ahead and hook it up on the wall behind me. Again, playing around with your different patterns. I could go this way. I could then drop it down this way and then go back over this way, putting one up top right here. There's so many different options. Well, that looks pretty cool. I actually turned off some of my lights in back of the camera, and that's giving you a nice LED look with one light on over this direction over here. Let's go ahead and see what I look like. It kind of reminds me of one of those like really sick, sweet little movies, you know, a nice little glow of the face. In the dark, dark night of the winter, the furnace was roaring and the mouses rummaging through cheese and chocolate. Just like my puppy over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect it to the app. Let's go ahead and check out our touch controls right over here. Now I actually had it a little bit higher, but after looking on my camera here, because I wanted this in the background, it was too high up, so I actually changed the pattern, leveled it out as well. As long as you get to it quick enough, the double-sided tape won't be too bad, but you wanna level it out and put the pattern the best possible place. And you can't see the power cord, but the power cord is going right over off the right-hand side, down this little palm tree over here you can't really see on camera. Let's go ahead and hit the M button here and see if anything happens. There we are there. So you can have that going off in the background if you want, as it will go ahead and go through the different colors. Actually, it does not look like it's going through the different colors. Let's go ahead and hit that one more time. That might just take you into the next color. Nice deep blue. Yeah, so it looks like it will take you through the major colors, which is cool. That's actually really nice if you didn't want to fire up your app. Let's say you get the video going, you're like, hey, you know what? I'm feeling a little frisky tonight. Let me go ahead and hit my button over here as it lightens up to a wider light right there. Very cool. I probably imagine in the app you could probably dim it, what we'll see. Let's go ahead and hit that one more time. There's your yellow. There's your kind of an aqua blue. I kind of like that one. Not really sure how that looks on camera. Purple, we just saw. Now hitting the S button, as you can see here, the panels are different colors. Super cool. Individually controlled. I like that. A lot of different variations, and they're going to be selling a 6-panel kit, which obviously this is right here, and then you have a 3-panel accessory kit, which you could expand it up to 9 pieces, and Bria likes it. This is my puppy right here. Bria, you like the LED panels? You like the LED panels right here? Nice, huh? Fancy, fancy. All right, let's go ahead and get into the app and check it out. And I'm sorry through that last segment, if it was a little bit tough, check out the different colors because of the camera light meter. We'll get you some better shots. All right, guys, I want to show you the app, which is super sick, giving this so many more features in the app. Directions, tell you how to download that, etc. Right now I have it on a really sick, like kind of a white, and I know the camera's not gonna be able to pick that up, the true colors of what I'm seeing, just because of the contrast. I've tried multiple cameras, and so I'll try my best to show you guys, but this super cool features. Also, they do sell it with expandable panels as well. You can get like 3 more expandable panels, and I'm pretty sure as long as the power adapter would power it up sufficiently, you could probably add to it and continue to add to it, giving a really cool design or shape, whatever you prefer. Let's go ahead and cut this off. This might get a little dark on me, but we're looking at the lights, not me. Also, this is compatible with Alexa and Google Home to tell it to turn on or turn off as well. All right, so this is the app right here. You can name it whatever you want. I've just named it Desk Light. On this app, you can do different scenes, etc. But let's go ahead and look right in the middle there. There's an on and off button. You can turn it off right there if you want. Let's go ahead and click on Desk Light. Now this is really cool. As you can see here, the little symbol. So if I hit this power button right on top, sometimes it takes a few seconds, but it'll just dim and turn off there. And then I hit it one more time, and it'll fire back up. We don't have time to go through all of these light effects, but they're really cool. I'll show you a couple really cool ones. Like here's Run, and it'll just like go different colors down the thing, which is so cool. The different colors through there. Let's try Chasing. So it's like kind of just and then black, and then it goes backwards. And let's go Curtain. Let's try Curtain. Let's see what Curtain is. That's kind of cool. And let's go Cover. That's cool. So it switches it out. Very nice. So right here in the middle of the app is entertainment. Let's go ahead and hit entertainment. And this is where it gets really juicy. So let's go ahead and do music rhythm. Obviously, because of copyrights, I'm not going to play music, but I did this with Christmas jazz and it was so cool. So let's hit music rhythm and watch this. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, yo, 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 yo. Obviously, I lowered my microphone for that. That was kind of loud. But as you can see, as I'm talking, it goes with the rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. Even Bria's in on it. Bria's wondering what's going on. All right, so check this out. Watch this one. I think I'm scaring my puppy dog. All right, now underneath, there is game. We're going to do shoot. Watch this. Pop, 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 pop. Call of Duty. That's pretty cool. Now going to racing. Pretty cool. Even Bria likes it. I think she's kind of scared about what's going on. Sorry, baby. I'm almost done filming. All right, now let's go to the middle of the app, upper middle, living. So we tap on living, and then we tap on that little settings thing up in the right portion of living. And this is where you can brighten it. You can lower the brightness, up the brightness of it. Now let's switch over to movie. As we switch over to movie, let's go ahead and hit that. And this is where you can do the solid colors right here with the brightness. As I have mine turned to blue, now you see blue right here. So you can do your different colors right there for movie if you want to do movie, and then obviously if you want the sound of it to get crazy with the sound of the movie, I'll leave that up to you guys. So unless I'm not digging through the app enough, or maybe the developers can do a update to the app, all it would take is an update to the app where I can program each individual triangle a different color, solid different color. I don't know if that's possible or not. It might be possible. Maybe I haven't looked into the control panel up here, but under the app, I haven't been able to find that quite yet. Leave a comment in the comments below if you have seen that work, and it does. So I'm sorry again if the camera wasn't able to pick up all of the features of what the lights look like with the naked eye, but they're super cool, and I'm actually going to try to pick up another 3 panels to be able to stack it, maybe a little bit more up here, maybe drop one down, put one up here, something like that. I've been really enjoying it for the back of my tech videos. I think it's an awesome product. I see some other gamers or some other office setups that have done some really cool designs. And so connected if you have an Alexa device, connected if you have a Google device. And lastly, great news. My code right below in the description box below is going to get you 20% off your order, and that is good for all orders. If you want just the 6 plus 3, etc. That link will again be in the description box, top link below. You guys in the UK, other countries, the same link applies for you guys as well. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. I think they're super cool. Great Christmas present ideas. If you wouldn't mind on your way out, hit that thumbs up button. It helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, tech and DIY. This is a temporary office setup. I will be doing a full build. It's going to be sick. So this is not the permanent location. Also, the double-sided tape provided by the company has done an amazing job. These have been up here for, I think, well over 2 weeks. No issues. And I'm in Colorado. It's cold. No issues. Loving it. So subscribe if you're into those videos. Your links, again, are right below in the description box. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. My name is Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.